Today is an important day because I released for the first time a beta test version of my app called ORAKEMU. And it's also an important day because for the first time, I'm talking about my app in a video that I'm going to share online. And this is a big thing for me because I've been working on the app since I finished my PhD in April. And I've been working kind of by myself on it because I'm first of all making it for myself. So there's a list of features that I wanted to have, and I wanted it to be good enough before showing it to other people. And I didn't really share online the progress I made. I didn't really build in public like they like to call it. And so I'm finally doing this. So I released a beta version of the app today. First users got their hands on it. It's a bit stressful for me because I have this little of imposter syndrome of moving from being a PhD to coding an app and then trying to sell it, because my goal, of course, is to be able to make this my living, my full-time job, because then I could continue working on it and improving it so that people can use it to live a better life, organize themselves better, achieve what they want to achieve, live more intentionally, and also balance their lives so that they don't go into depression because of not doing what matters to them, or burning out because of working too much. And so the goal of the app is to first of all make you think about all the different things that matter to you. So it makes you see your life through the different roles you play, your different identities, the ones that you have to be, maybe because you have a day job that you don't necessarily like, but that is important to you because it pays the bills, it lets you take care of your family, etc. Or the identities that matter to you, such as being a musician, being a father, a parent, a friend, a sportive person, whatever. And so that's one of the first things you do on the app. And then, of course, the app will have and has a lot of productivity tools. It lets you manage your tasks, it lets you track your time and gain experience points whenever you track your time or complete tasks. And so that you can keep track of where you spend your energy and attention, and so that over time you can see whether you actually spend time on what matters to you. So that's the basic idea of the app. Now we'll see how the beta test goes. I hope it will go well. There are a few little bugs that already have been spotted. That's it. I guess I will try to make weekly updates about how the development of the app is going. For now, it's a closed beta test, so only the users that have submitted the form on my website can try out the app and give me feedback and help me actually help me shape the future of the app, which features I should prioritize, what should I focus my attention on next to make sure the app is useful to everybody and not just for me. If you want to try out the app before everybody else, you can go on to the website and fill in the form, and I will contact you so you can join this private test. And hopefully in a month it will be a public release, and then you can share the app with anybody. So if you have any questions, ideas, suggestions, if you want to try out the app, basically, if you want to engage with me on this subject, don't hesitate to comment or to message me. I would love to talk about the app. I would love to know what you think of it. I would love to know what the app needs to be useful for you. So yeah. Stay in touch and see you maybe next week. Ciao. So I forgot one thing. I wanted to show you what the app actually looks like right now. And you can see here, I have it on my phone, that you have a timeline where you can track your time and write down what you do each day. You can plan your different tasks for each day, and when you complete them, you gain experience points, and these experience points reflect your time, attention, energy, how difficult a task is for you, or how much you don't like doing it. And over time, you can see how you spend your time, because each life role has a color associated to it. And so you can quickly see at the colors of your day how you spend your time. Blue, which for me is spending time developing this app. And you can of course manage your tasks, and here already you have statistics that allow you to see how you spend your time each week, and you can leave yourself a summary to reflect back on what you did each week, what went well, what didn't go well, for each calendar event, for each activity you track, or each task you do. You can also leave yourself notes. So whether it is a task you're working on or spending time with family and things you want to remember, you can put it in the app, and this way the app is also becomes a sort of journal for your life. And if you keep on using it, and also for example if you use it until next year, you can be sure that for the next year, new year, you can have a 2025 wrapped with ORAKEMU that will show you how you spend your time, what were the important events that you want to remember, etc. So I have a lot of different ideas for the app. This is only the beginning. Stay tuned. Ciao.